It's a certified 2018 Jeep Cherokee. From rough trails to downtown nightlife, this Jeep Cherokee handles it all with the perfect combination of grit and grace. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, streaming audio, configurable instrument gauges, manual telescoping steering column, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, active grille shutters, 3 12-volt power outlets, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.